we're prepping up for June and July. And that's when we have as many people here as we can provide shelter for their tent or a bed and a cabana. It starts to become really nice in the first rains right away. It gets green pretty quickly, and then it just gets better from there. The other thing we're going to have in June is a fairly large team of people here who are dedicated to planting. We're going to have a planting fest, and that's really June and July. That's our primary focus here. It's going to be a lot of work, and you'll learn a lot. You'll learn to propagate various types of plants, and you'll learn our very unique method here of how we're doing that. So June and July, we could probably handle 25, 30 people. You got to apply way ahead of time, and then we should have a really fun time. But it's going to be up early every morning, working before it gets too hot out or rains, and then digging and moving plants around with a really cool crew of people. I don't know what the price on it'll be. I can't go for free anymore, so we either get sponsors supporting Bosque more, or people pay for themselves. And I don't want to hear anything about this. I'm doing work and I'm paying. No, this is a case where that's actually the thing is we expect you to actually move things and work and be focused and not be a person who says after 20 minutes, I'm bored or whatever. You know, this is an intense agricultural experience that should be difficult for you. It would be difficult for me, especially as I get a little older. But we're going to sculpt this land, and we're going to use plants to do it. It's going to be green sculpting at its finest, and so that's going to be a really fun thing each year. I've done bits of that in the past, but just a little bit, and I haven't had the highest expectations. This time, the people on the Earth Sculptor team got to be able to move the mountain. It's going to be a big important time.